Namaste. Um, so this is a very interesting topic that I am going to cover today. Uh, when people have challenges, when people have problems, people have adversities in life, they always complain कि ये मेरे साथ क्यों होता है? Why do problems come to me? Why are people rude to me? Why are people mean to me? Why have I lost someone so close? Why have I lost my job? Why do I have a physical handicap? So many things. So you're constantly complaining and asking why. So my suggestion to you is, instead of looking at adversities in life, instead of looking at a problem the way the problem is, we can use every challenge, every problem, every adversity to our own benefit, to make it our strength. I'll give you one example which happened to me. Ever since I started my film career, everyone always said, Smita, lose 5 more kilos. Smita, lose 5 more kilos. Back in the day, it was nice and thin. Still, people said, lose 5 more kilos. There was one stage where on one channel I was to get one particular serial, and that time serials were like in great demand and vogue and things like that. Even now they are, but of course then. And the producer came and told me the channel refused you, Smita, because they thought you were fat. That really upset me, and I was not fat. If people thought I was plump, I can still understand, but definitely not fat. So when he used the word fat, I was so mad. I said, how dare someone just knocks me down by saying that you will not get the serial because you're fat. I said, I'll show it to them. I was so upset. And I went to my master and I told him, I'm very upset that this person said that the serial is refused because you're fat, not because you're not fit for the role, not because you're a bad actress, none of those things, which I could have accepted. But when it came to me as fat, that really upset me. So what my master said is, Smita, start looking at things from the other side also. Flip. Everything that happens to you always has a flip side to it, and use it to your benefit. I did not understand that. He said, prove it to them that you can lose weight. Prove it to them you can become thin. Nobody can say that you're fat. Make yourself such कि कोई भी तुमको next time fat नहीं बोलेगा. I took that as a challenge, and I lost so much weight after that. So I thank that person for saying this to me, because otherwise I would have just let myself go. I would have actually become fat after some time, which generally with age people start putting on weight and all kinds of things. So if you have an adversity, if you have any handicap, if you're hurt about somebody, if you're angry with somebody for somebody saying things to you, look at the flip side of things. Don't let these things bog you down. This is how the divine works. Don't get angry with that person who has pointed something about you which you have not liked. In fact, you should thank that person, because that has changed your life. You've turned over a new leaf. Had that particular incident not happened, you would not be here today. So that incident has proved as a catalyst. Invariably in our lives, we meet such people who constantly run us down, who bring us down, who bog us down, say things to us, be a little hurtful. It's okay. Change. Even if somebody says about your nature, say somebody says that you're a very jealous kind of a person. You have not liked it because nobody likes to say that you're a jealous person, isn't it? So if they say you're a jealous person, there's something for you to search for inside. Why did she feel that I'm a jealous person? What was the incident that made her feel I'm a jealous person? You'll become aware of your emotions. And every time you feel that feeling somewhere coming inside you that you're feeling a little jealous about somebody, it'll stop, because you become aware. It's a very big step towards your inner transformation. So any incidents, you think of all the incidences that have happened in your life. There are plenty such incidences, experiences in your life. And you held them against those people. This person has said this to me, इसने मुझे ये बोला, and I'm very, very angry with this one. When I'll meet him next time, I'll take my revenge. No, don't get into all that. Please don't get into all that. In fact, see how it will work to your benefit. Everything that happens outside in your life has to work for your benefit, not for you to come lower down from what you are. If somebody says you're not good at these kind of things, prove it to them that you are good. And we are good and we are capable of shifting and changing. The very fact that a person has said this to you, which means that you can change that part of you. Which means that there is a shift that is going to happen to you. That's why this has come in front of you. If everything is perfect, nobody will come and say anything to you. Criticism should be there. Healthy criticism should be there. And accept criticism, because that's how you grow. Otherwise, you're stunted. Every time everybody says, oh, you're the best looking, you're the best this, you're the best wonderful this, mother, worker, anything. If they say you're the best, you're stagnated there. I don't like when people say that to me either. I always ask for some healthy criticism so I can grow, I can improve. Okay, if this has come, which means there is something about me which I need to shift, need to change. So look at life positively. Don't let all these negative things and negative comments, your handicaps or whatever, bother you. You're short, you're all kinds of things. People say, oh, you're so short. I said, great, I'm short, I like it. Because short people have their own advantages. Tall people have their own advantages and disadvantages. So it's the divine who has made you that way. So please remember, any kind of adversity, any kind of a negative comment which you think is a negative comment, anything that comes your way, don't think of it or don't get angry with the person who's pointed this out to you. Just flip. Learn to look at things from a different point of view. That is the inner transformation. Learn to look at life from a different point of view. Even this COVID situation just now there is. So many people have got bogged down with it. So many people have gone so low. So many suicides happen. No, there's a reason. There is always a flip side to it. If you look at it and try to find out the flip side to it, you will find out the right reasons why this happened at the right time. And it was essential to happen. You will not complain about it. But you have never looked at it from the other side. You've got bogged down. You've gone into a depression mode. Maybe there was no right people to advise you or tell you. But learn to look at life from another point of view. You will get help. Universe is built in such a way. Universe is made in such a way. No person ever in this universe will not get help when required. That is not how universe is built. But you don't look at help. And you don't look at help in the right direction also. That again depends on people around you. But you have your inner self, inner guidance. Ask your inner guidance. There's divinity in all of us. Ask your inner self, what am I to do in this situation? And you will get your answers. Wait, you will get your answers. Ending life is not an answer. Getting into depression, getting into lows is not an answer. You have to pull yourself up. Any adversity can be looked at and has to be looked at from another point of view. Keep that in mind always. Dear friends, I would love you to comment on this video down below. You need my help? You can go on my website www.smithachecker.com. I'm always there to help. Thank you very much. Namaste.